The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the iPhone XR for Metro by T-Mobile. So the iPhone XR is finally here at Metro. So yeah, this is the phone right here. So this is basically the budget version of the new iPhone. So yeah. So that's the phone right there in front of you. Quick specs on this iPhone XR. Has a 6.1-inch liquid retina display there, 12 megapixel rear-facing camera, 7 megapixel front-facing camera, and it has 64 gigabytes of storage. Right. So that's one of the phone right there, guys. It does look like the iPhone, 10s and whatnot, except for this has slightly bigger screen, but the resolution is a bit lowered on this one. So that's front of the phone right there, and that's the front and back of the phone right there, and up there. So yeah, the iPhone XR is available in 3 colors. You have white, black, and blue, and they all come in 64 gigabytes. The iPhone XR is $599 with $4 on an unlimited data plan. The full retail price of the iPhone XR is $749. So yeah. So if you guys want to get this phone for $599, put your number over the Metro PCS and get an unlimited plan to get this phone for $599. Alright. So it says here, iPhone XR features a 6.1-inch liquid retina display, the most advanced LCD in the industry, advanced Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough camera system and 6 stunning new finishes. Alright. So the iPhone XR has a 6.1-inch display there. It's LCD. The display is 720p resolution, I believe it is. It is IP67 water and dust resistance, maximum depth of 1 meter up to 30 minutes, 12 megapixel camera with OIS and 7 megapixel true depth front camera, portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, and smart HDR, Face ID for secure authentication, and Apple Pay, a 12 bionic chip with next generation neutral engine, wireless charging, which are key chargers, of course. And it has iOS 12 with Me Emoji, Screen Time, Siri shortcuts, and Grip FaceTime. Alright. This is iPhone XR, brilliant in every way. All new liquid retina display, the most advanced LCD in the industry, even faster Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in the smartphone, and a breakthrough camera system. iPhone XR, it's beautiful any way you look at it. So the phone does look nice though. I am a big fan of this phone. I'm not a fan of the blue one. I'm just not a fan of it. I just think it's ugly as fuck. So this iPhone XR is available in 6 colors, but Metro is only having 3 here. Kind of reminds me of the iPhone 5C from a few years back when that phone was available in like 2 main fucking colors for the 5C. So the iPhone XR, it's kind of like that's available in a lot of colors, so that is pretty cool. Introducing liquid retina. The new display on iPhone XR is the most advanced LCD in the industry, and innovative backlight design allows the screen to stretch into the corners, so you can see true to life color from one beautiful edge to the other. So it has 6.1-inch display. It has the largest LCD ever on an iPhone. It has an industry-leading color accuracy, wide color gamut, true tone, and tucked away. All screens makes a difference. See how much more room you'll have for everything you love to do. So they're comparing it between the iPhone XR and the iPhone 8 Plus. So the iPhone XR has more screen, obviously, really barely any bezel, barely. Exceptional materials. The most durable front glass ever in a smartphone, precision grade aerospace grade aluminum bands, water industrial systems, and 6 stunning new finishes. Advanced Face ID security is simple. When your face is your password, you can unlock your phone, you can unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay for things with a glance. It's the most secure facial authentication ever in a smartphone, and now it's even faster. Intelligent A12 Bionic. This is the smartest, most popular chip in a smartphone with Apple's next generation neutral engine for amazing augmented reality experiences, incredible portrait with depth control and speed and fluidity in everything you do, right? Breakthrough camera system. The world's most popular camera is defining a new era of photography when an innovative sensor works with ISP and neutral engine to help you create photos like never before. Of course, it has portrait mode. It says iPhone XR uses a single lens camera and machine learning to keep people in the foreground and straight focus against the artfully blurred background layer. It also has enhanced bokeh effect. Portrait mode photos look even more professional thanks to a sophisticated background blur. All new depth control. Now you can adjust the depth of field in portraits after you shoot. Smart HDR, new secondary frames, a spatial sensor, and the powerful A12 Bionic chip brings more highlight and shadow detail into your photos. So there's the camera specs. 12 megapixel rear camera with an f1.8 aperture wide-angle lens, portrait mode with depth control, 2x spatial sensor, and 4K video at 60 frames per second. It has a 7 megapixel front-facing camera with an f2.2 aperture wide-angle lens, portrait mode with depth control, and 1080p video at 1080p video at 60 frames. Alright. No other phone is like iPhone. Every system that goes into iPhone makes it stand apart. From the way it's made, to the way privacy and security are built in from the start, to the way Apple responsibly recycles it. And you guys can compare iPhone models if you want the iPhone XS, iPhone XR if you guys want. So there it is, guys. The iPhone XR is now available at Metro by T-Mobile for $5.99 with a port-in and an unlimited data plan. The full retail price of the iPhone XR is $749. Metro PCS only has it in 64 gigs right now, so keep that in mind. So $5.99 for an iPhone XR is not bad if you port in your number and you get an unlimited data plan. So it's not bad for $5.99 if you do that. So yeah, there it is, guys. iPhone XR available now at Metro. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.